Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to solve a typical compilation error, that is incompatible types when assigning to type X from type Y. So here Y is int and X is struct mystruct sum. So assignment from int to struct mystruct is incompatible. That is the meaning of this error. So let me go to the code and show you why this error is coming. So this is on line number 12 of mydemo.c. I have opened mydemo.c here already. So line number 11 is this. Line number 12 is the problem line. So line number 12 is this: myvar equal to fun. Myvar is of type mystruct. Mystruct is defined here. So myvar is the left side of the equal to operator, and fun is a function which is expected, whose return value is expected to be assigned on here, but this is returning int and this is mystruct. So that is why we are getting that error, incompatible types. Int is trying to get assigned to mystruct. So by the way, we have not defined this as returning as int. Still it is considered to be returning as int at line number 12. Why it is so? Because in this file the function fun is not declared anywhere before its usage. Its usage is at line number 12 and it doesn't know what is the prototype of function when the compiler scans this line. So it adds an implicit declaration for this function. Implicit declaration will be always of return value int. So it assumes fun is a function which returns int at this line number 12, and so it declares it announces that it's a problem. We cannot assign int into a struct. So that error is thrown in the line number 12. And still the compilation goes on and comes to line number 15. Line number 15 has the real definition of fun, which says the return value struct mystruct, so which is contradicting with the implicit declaration that is made in line number 12. So at line number 15 it shows an error saying that conflicting types for fun. The previous implicit declaration of fun was here at line number 12. Line number 12 it had done an implicit declaration of fun. So that is why this error is coming. 15 and 12 is coming. So now we know because of implicit declaration this error is coming. So how to avoid the implicit declaration? So if you put a declaration of this function, the real declaration somewhere above this line, then compiler wouldn't do implicit declaration and no conflicting declarations will happen. So let me move this function. Let me create a function declaration here. So I'm putting a declaration line number 10, line number 9, which says fun is a function which returns struct. So at line number 14 it doesn't do any implicit assumptions. So let's compile this code now and see. Yeah, there is no problem. Now everything is resolved. So the solution here is to put declaration of function before its usage to avoid implicit declaration which might conflict with the real definition of the function. So always make sure to do declarations before function usage. That is a solution for this problem. Thank you.